Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle? Going through the motions day after day without any real progress or change? If so, you're not alone. Many of us experience this sense of stagnation at some point in our lives. But what if I told you that you have the power to break free from this cycle? What if I told you that by harnessing the power of your attention, you can create the reality you've always desired? Welcome to this transformative journey, where we explore how attention shapes our world. Before we dive into the depths of this concept, let me ask you something. Have you ever heard of quantum physics? In the early 20th century, groundbreaking theories emerged, challenging our understanding of reality. The Copenhagen interpretation suggested that a quantum system exists in multiple states until observed or measured. On the other hand, the many worlds interpretation proposed that all possible outcomes coexist in separate universes. Both theories point to the significance of observation or measurement in shaping our reality. Interestingly, these theories resonate with various spiritual traditions that emphasize the power of attention. They teach us that by consciously directing our focus, we can manifest the reality we desire. So, let's explore the power of attention together. The first step towards harnessing the power of attention is understanding how energy flows. You see, when we feel stuck, it's often a sign of stagnant energy. And where attention goes, energy flows. There are two types of attention: polar attention and nonpolar attention. Polar attention involves positive and negative focus. Positive attention attracts what we desire, while negative attention repels it. Imagine focusing on love, growth, and abundance. Life responds to the content of our attention, bringing us more of what we desire. Unfortunately, societal conditioning often reinforces fear and survival, keeping our attention captured by negative influences. As a result, we unknowingly attract more of what we fear and try to avoid. But there's hope. Nonpolar attention can neutralize reality. Neutral attention allows us to observe events without positive or negative judgment. This nonpolar focus helps us break free from the cycle of repetitive patterns. Traumatic experiences and past fears lose their power when we observe them neutrally, robbing them of the energy to manifest in our lives. However, for our attention to truly manifest our desired reality, our heart and mind must align. Often, negative emotions arise, and our mind amplifies them, trapping us in a spiral of fearful thoughts. But when we cultivate an attitude of neutral attention in our heart, events can pass by without creating a lasting impact. This alignment between the heart and mind is crucial for effectively harnessing the power of nonpolar attention. In our lives, we may encounter various traumas and fears that have had a profound impact on us. These past experiences might have left us with deep emotional scars, and as a result, we tend to instinctively resist anything that reminds us of those traumas and fears. However, it is important to understand that resistance alone does not help us heal or overcome these negative experiences. In fact, resistance often prolongs our suffering and keeps us stuck in a cycle of negativity. When we resist, we give more power to the past traumas and fears, allowing them to continue influencing our present and future. Instead of resisting, a more effective approach is to acknowledge and accept these past traumas and fears. By confronting them head-on and allowing ourselves to feel the emotions associated with them, we can start the healing process. It is through this acceptance and willingness to explore our past that we can gradually release the hold that these negative experiences have on us. By shifting our mindset from resistance to acceptance, we create space for personal growth and transformation. We give ourselves the opportunity to break free from the constraints of our traumas and fears, and we open ourselves up to new possibilities and experiences. To overcome this, we must embrace non-polar attention. By acknowledging and accepting our past without judgment, we can shift our perspective. This shift in perspective dissolves the power these traumas hold over us, freeing us from their influence and the recurring patterns they create. Allow me to share a powerful personal story that highlights the transformative nature of attention and resilience. Throughout my academic journey, I had always excelled effortlessly, earning top grades and commendations. However, this all changed when I entered college. One fateful semester, I found myself grappling with a particularly challenging subject: neuroscience. No matter how hard I studied or how many hours I dedicated to understanding the intricate details of the human brain, I couldn't seem to grasp the concepts fully. Scoring low marks on my first exam felt like a blow to my self-esteem. Initially, I fell into a pattern of self-doubt and frustration, blaming external factors for my shortcomings. I felt overwhelmed by the coursework, questioning my abilities and wondering if I had made a mistake in pursuing this field. The attention I gave to my failures only reinforced my negative mindset, and it seemed like an insurmountable hurdle. However, one day, I stumbled upon an inspiring TED Talk about the importance of embracing failure as a catalyst for growth. It sparked a new perspective within me, shifting my entire mindset towards a more resilient approach. I realized that rather than letting these setbacks define me, I had the power to redefine my relationship with failure. Instead of dwelling on my low grades, I decided to redirect my attention towards learning from my mistakes, seeking guidance, and developing a more robust study strategy. I immersed myself in self-improvement resources, reaching out to professors and fellow students for clarification and guidance. I attended extra study sessions, sought out additional textbooks, and fervently practiced past exam questions. It was a monumental effort, but I refused to give in to self-doubt. As weeks turned into months, I began to notice small improvements. Concepts that were once baffling started to make sense, and my confidence grew. Instead of seeing failure as a roadblock, I started viewing it as a stepping stone towards success. Ultimately, I not only passed the neuroscience course with flying colors, but also gained a profound understanding of my own resilience. By redirecting my attention and embracing failure as an opportunity for growth, I cultivated a mindset of perseverance and determination that would serve me in all aspects of my life. This experience taught me that where we place our attention ultimately shapes our reality. By shifting our focus towards the lessons embedded within failure, we unlock the incredible power of personal growth and transformation. Harnessing the power of attention is the key to manifesting the reality we desire. By consciously directing our attention, we can attract positive experiences and dissolve negative ones. Embracing non-polar attention and aligning our heart and mind allows us to break free from the limitations imposed by past traumas and societal conditioning. So let's start directing our attention towards creating the reality we truly want. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality through the focused and intentional use of your attention. Start manifesting the life you desire today. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We would love to have you join our community of like-minded individuals. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. We love hearing from you and supporting you on your manifestation journey. May you be blessed with abundance, love, and joy in your manifestation journey. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting.